Hello viewers, our topic today is arithmetic progressions, chapter 1, exercise 1.3, question number 3. In an AP, given A is 5, D is 3, AN is 50, find N and Sn. First term A is 5, common difference D is 3 and AN is 50. Using this AN, we can find the value of N. AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. The value of AN is given as 50. First term A is 5 plus N minus 1 into common difference D is 3. 50, 5 plus, taking this 5 to the left hand side of this equation, this plus 5 will become minus 5. Opposite sign, 50 minus 5 is 45. Greater number sign. Taking this 3 to the other side of the equation, it will go to the denominator. So 45 by 3 is 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15. N minus 1 is 15. N minus 1 is 15. N is 15. Taking this minus 1 to the other side of the equation, this will become plus 1. So 15 plus 1 is 16. Now we have calculated the value of N. Let us find the value of Sn. The formula to find Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The nth term, we have found this as 16. Value of n is 16 by 2. 2 into value of a is 5 plus n minus 1. The value of n is 16. 16 minus 1 into the value of d is 3. Let us simplify this. 16 by 2 is 8. 2 into 5 is 10. 16 minus 1 is 15. 10 plus, let us solve the bracket first. 5 3s are 15. 45. 15 3s are 45. 10 plus 45 is 55. Same number, same sign, add the value and put the same sign. 55 into 8 are 440. The value of Sn is 440. The value of A13 is given as 35. An is A plus n minus 1 into d. A13 is, the value of A is 7. The value of n is 13. 13 minus 1. The value of n is 13. D value. So A13 is 35 plus 7. 13 minus 1 is 12d. 12d is 35. Taking the plus 7 to the left hand side of the equation, this will become minus 7. Its sign will change. So now opposite sign, subtract 7 from 35. Put the greater number sign. D is 28 by, taking the 12 to the left hand side of the equation, it will go to the denominator. D is 7 by 3. Now we have to find the value of Sn. Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of n is 13 by 2. 2 into the value of a is 7 plus 13 minus 1. The value of n is 13 into d. The value of d is 7 by 3. 13 by 2 into 7 2s are 14 plus 13 minus 1 is 12 into 7 by 3. We can cancel 3 and 12. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. 13 by 2, 14 plus 7 4s are 28. 13 by 2, 14 plus 28 is 42. Cancel 2 and 42. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. So 13 into 21. 113s are 13, 13 2s are 26. 273. The value of Sn is 273 and the value of d is 7 by 3. The value of A12 is 37. The formula for An is a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of n is 12. An is 37. Value of a plus the value of n is 12 minus 1 into d is 3. 37. A plus 12 minus 1 is 11 into 3. 37. A plus 11 3s are 33. The value of a is 37 plus 33, taking to the other side of the equation will become minus 33. 3 minus 7 minus 3 is 4. So the value of a is 4. Subtract 33 from 37. The value of a is 4. Sn is S12 n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of n is 12 by 2. 2 into the value of a is 4. N minus 1. 12 minus 1. The value of d is 3. 12 by 2 is 6. 2a plus 12 minus 1 is 11 to 3. 2a plus 11 into 3 is 33. 6 into 6 into 2 is 12a plus into plus 6 into 33 198. 12 into 4, a value is 4 plus 198. 48 plus 198. 246. The value of S12 is 246 and the value of A is 4. The value of A is 4. One 6 are 6, 6 4s are 24. 246. Answer. A3 is given as 15. The formula to find AN is A plus n minus 1 into D. The value of n is 3. AN is A3 is A plus n minus 3 minus 1 into D. A plus 3 minus 1 is 2D. The value of A3 is 15. Taking this as equation 1, and S10 is 125. The formula to find Sn is n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. S10 125 is n by 2. N is 10. N is equal to 10. This one. So 10 by 2, 2A plus the value of n is 10 minus 1 into D. 125 is equal to 10 by 2 is 5, 2A plus 10 minus 1 is 9D. 125 is 5 into 2A plus 9D. Taking 5 to the other side of the equation, this will go to the denominator. So 125 by 5 is 'taking this as equation number 2, 25 is equal to 2A plus 9D. Now we have to solve these equations. Multiply equation 1 by 2. So 15 into 2 equal to 2 into A plus 2 into 2D. 15 2s are 30. 2A plus 2 2s are 4D. Write equation 2 here. 25 is equal to 2A plus 9D. This is equation 2. This is equation 3. Change the signs. Plus 2A minus 2A get cancelled. Opposite sign. Subtract 25 from 30. The value is plus 5. Opposite sign. Subtract 4 from 9. Answer is 5D. Put the greater numbers sign. D is 5 by minus 5 minus 1. The value of D is minus 1. Substituting the value of D in equation 1. D in equation 1. 15 is equal to A plus 2D. 15 equal to A plus 2 into D is minus 1. 15 is equal to A plus A plus into minus 1 2s are 2. A plus into minus 2. A is equal to 15. Taking this minus 2 to the left hand side of the equation, sign will change and minus 2 will become plus 2. A is 15 plus 2, 17. Now the value of A is 17. The value of D is minus 1. Answer.